So, what is up, my boys? We back with another video, man. Today, we finna put the wheel spokes on. I'm in the crib chilling, but y'all already know we finna put the wheel spokes on, man. I'm doing red. So, yeah, if you watching this video, man, stay tuned till the end. Please like the video, man. If you new, welcome to the gang. Please subscribe and please, just stay tuned, man. I got this for y'all, and here y'all go.
And I can't do my dance cause my parents lay low. They from friends. Show that bitch the dance. Kofi Uzi.
Alright guys, I pretty much got my wheel done, but for anybody who wanted to learn, I just figured I'd make a short video. So I cut down my spoke skins to the size that I needed them to be. And now I just want to pretty much show you a little easier way to put it on. So pretty much what I do is I just take my nail, and these are already kind of pre-cut. So I just take it and I open it like that. After that, I literally take it, I put that part over the spoke, and then I bend it like this, look. So when you bend it, you can just literally, see that? That's catching on there like that. That's exactly what you want. If it start twisting around and stuff, bro, just same thing, just kind of try to go with it. You can do this going up or down, but look at that. Boom. Spoke skin is already on, y'all. So yeah, I just got a couple more I'm gonna put on. It is one I'm having trouble with. It's kind of, let me see if I can show you. It's kind of like right there. It's not like all the way on there. So I'm having trouble with that one, but yeah, so far it's looking fire, bruh. No kissy, it's looking fire. I'm definitely messing with it. I'm not gonna cut. Like I said, I'm a little crippled right now, bruh. I'm on crutches, so it's a little bit harder to do stuff like this. And then I don't got nothing to really back up my dirt bike on, so it's a little bit harder. But I just wanted to, if I couldn't make like a real long video, I kind of want to at least get like something in. At least to do with the wheel spokes, or rim spokes. So same thing I'm doing with this one. As soon as you get that, end on, it should be pretty easy, Same thing, I put it on, I just bend it down. Now, I've seen some people do some different methods and stuff, so y'all can let me know if anybody watched this video and they actually want me to do a different method. I can. Because I plan on getting some different color spokes anyways, so like, I do it. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm on my last one. I'm gonna put this on and go and like kind of show y'all what it's looking like, you feel me? Actually, no, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like, and then I'm gonna give y'all the end result. You heard me. And that'll pretty much be it for now. So, like I said, notice I'm keeping that bend on it right there, right where it's at. I always keep a bend, because when you keep that bend and you push, look at that. See how that end is not on there? Well, easy. Bend and push, remember. Look, when you get it on, you want to first, this is just a little easy tutorial. It's not like a full video. If y'all want me to drop a full video, I can. But like I said, these things are already pre-split down the middle. They like little plastic straws. What you do is you take your nail, or if you got something else, you reach inside that, and you just rip that open like that. So it's pretty easy. Once you put it on, you just bend it where you put it at, and as you go back, you'll be pushing as you bend. You know what I mean? So yeah, y'all boys, it's pretty simple. Here, this is what it's looking like. Kawasaki, yes! Fire in it. Yeah, I get y'all a little, you feel me, when I'm finished. Y'all boys, so I just finished up with the other tire, you heard me, and it's looking fuego, bro. Look at that. That is looking fire. Hold on, what? Damn near grab the thumbnail right here. Thumbnail. But yeah, look at that. Tell me that's not looking freaking fuego, bro. Oh, to my pitties. Cash Genesis. Cash. They're pretty cold. They out here being some troopers with me. But yeah, y'all see it, man. It's looking freaking fire. And I got them gold caps on there. It honestly just make them poke out more, bro. It's just, whew, I love it. It took a little bit of time just because I kind of ran out, so I had to do some stuff to like get it together. But that's the video, y'all. I will say one thing as a recommendation because I messed up. If you only get like a pack of 70 or something like that, because I think I got like a pack of 72, bro. If you get a pack of 72, make sure you do the bigger wheels first. So like you have to cut less. And you know, if you do mess up with the bigger spoke, then you can at least use it for the smaller one, if that makes sense. What I did is I started with the smaller one. So now, as you see, I got a whole bunch of these all over the floor. And then when I went to go do the front ones, then you notice like it was a little bit I don't know, I didn't have like enough, I guess. I started cutting the small ones down. Like I started cutting the big ones small, and then when I needed extras, the like extra ones were super small. So yeah, just make sure you start with the bigger wheel first. That way, you know, then you can work backwards. But yeah, that's about it. I mean, it was pretty fun to do. It looked fire. I don't know what I'm gonna do on the bike next. I want to put LEDs on this thing, but damn, man, I'm just trying to wait a little bit, because I want the LEDs to be like kind of one of the last things I do just in case I gotta like come back and, you know, put some other stuff on. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for clicking the video, man. I really do. If you hear from Notification Squad, just drop it in the comment section. If you're not, or you're new to the page, man, welcome. We just here to grow. So if you want to follow me on my KLX journey and learn how to do some stuff, this is the page to do it. Y'all boys, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so I can keep getting my videos. And appreciate y'all for watching. Peace.